Hey everyone, in this video, let's do a review of Appwrite. In order to do so, here we are at appwrite.io, and in order to find the answer to our question, let's go ahead and check in with Cider AI. Cider is a fantastic extension for your Chrome browser that allows you to ask questions of AI at any time and get the answers you're looking for. According to Cider, Appwrite is an open source backend server designed to simplify building modern web and mobile applications. It provides a ready-to-use backend with built-in APIs for authentication, database file storage, cloud functions, and more, so developers can focus more on front-end development and business logic. It supports email, password, OAuth providers, and anonymous login, as well as custom OAuth. It has no SQL document database with real-time capabilities, indexing, and query. It has file upload and management with access control. Has serverless cloud functions support to run backend code on events or HTTP triggers, and it has built-in support for multiple regions and languages, role-based access control, data validation, and built-in security best practices, and it can be self-hosted on your infrastructure or used via Appwrite Cloud. Pros include it is open source and transparent, full control over your backend with no vendor lock-in. It's easy setup and to use, simple REST and SDKs available for multiple platforms. It covers most backend needs right out of the box and supports serverless functions and custom code. It has an active development and community support and clear guides and examples for quick onboarding. Cons, it's still maturing. There's some advanced features that may be evolving compared to more mature BaaS platforms like Firebase, and it requires management. Self-hosted users need to manage server uptime, scaling, and updates, and cloud hosting is newer and might have fewer global regions than big cloud providers. Developers are who might be unfamiliar with backend concepts or serverless might need time to fully utilize all the features. In summary, Appwrite is an impressive backend as a service solution, especially appealing for developers who want an open source self-hosted backend with rich features. It's ideal for startups, freelancers, and teams wanting control and customization without building a backend from scratch. It balances usability and power well, but some may need to invest time to master all of its capabilities. For those preferring open ecosystems and avoiding vendor lock-in, Appwrite is a strong contender. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe, and don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you're interested in taking advantage of Cider AI, take a look at the link in the description. There you'll find a link to our link tree. There you'll find our socials and our top AI recommendations, including Cider. Click on any of those links to get started. You'd be helping us out as well, and we would greatly appreciate it. Also, if you're interested in Simply Financial as a banking solution, if you click on the referral link, you can get $50 to start with Simply Financial. And once you get started, if you refer your friends, you can get $125 and they get $50. Try out Simply Financial. It is a great banking solution. Thank you so much. We will see you on the next one.